So we're gonna go see if we can attempt to disassemble this unit and see how if we can unlock the seat belt. And if not, then we're just gonna end up having to replace the unit for the client.
This is a 20, a torque, a T20, a torque 5-star 20, torque 20.
Okay, so before we go any further, we're going to show you the inside of what it looks like. Apparently there's a potential lock inside the unit. So there's the lock hatch right there, right? So every time we pull it or has an action, it's going to start locking right there, see? Put some pressure on here in case it pops up. This is a spring loaded.
Yeah. So
get on the other side first. Yeah.
Here we go.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah.
It's broken.
Yeah, this thing's all rusty for some reason. Yeah, this is the part that's not. That's the part right here. Okay. Clean it up a little bit.
So this is the spring that we took out. it looks like it might be damaged. We do see some brake area already, so maybe it's a good time to just replace this unit altogether. So as you can see here, there are brakes within these springs already, so look like this is a defective unit possibly.
Oh yeah.
So the spring is done.
The spring's gone.
Yeah, the spring is pretty much done.
Yeah.
So let me zoom in real quick. So as you can see, there's multiple brakes within the spring. So this unit is practically damaged. We can't really fix this. We need to get it replaced. So as you can see, here's a brake right here, right? Here's a brake. Here's another brake. Here's another brake. And this unit right here is supposed to clip to something, but they're all breaking. So it looks like the whole unit lost its tension because the spring broke. So usually when you pop this thing open, when we undid the unit like this, if it's a proper spring, it would just pop out. But apparently it lost all the tension in this unit. So now we just have to replace the whole thing.
So we're going to take this out and show you how it looks like when it's all shattered. So that's the first brake right there. And then it just coils up like an old clock. And we'll get, and there goes the second brake right there. That's the second brake right there.
So as you can see, it's a clean brake on this area. Like that.
So this unit is not usable. So there's goes the third kink, and then it breaks. Fourth break, and then that's the last coil.
So full defective unit.
Yeah. So we have 5 brake on the seat belts. That's why we're not getting any tensions. So that's it. We're gonna have to order another unit.